Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to save files shared by another app to a specific folder in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just search for one application name as shared to folder by Alan Inc. And now on the first list, you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. And just scroll down below. You'll see here releases. Just click on it. And now here you will see share to folder.apk file. So you need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on done and you can minimize it. Now just open any application, whichever application you want to open. Say I want to open the gallery. So let me select some image file. You can select video file or any other file also. Now once you select the respective file, you will see a share option. Just click on it. Now just search for the install application by clicking on this more. So now you can see here share to folder app is showing up. Just click on it. Now just click on your smartphone name. And now select the respective location where you want to save. So I want to save in this directory. So now just click on this create new folder and give a folder name. Click on OK. Now just click on this use this folder. Click on allow. Now the respective file which I have selected will be shared directly to the respective selected folder. So by using this cool application named as share to folder, you can easily save files shared by another app to a specific folder in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.